This, I think, might be one of the coolest things that I have ever put together. I love voxels. I think voxels are so incredibly cool, just as far as gameplay mechanics go. If you're not familiar with voxels, they're basically building blocks. Building blocks that you can add to or remove from at game runtime, digging holes, adding structures, or just blowing holes in terrain. There's something I find incredibly satisfying about voxelized worlds. This is a look at my Battlecraft game, currently in development. And this is a look at Wizard Genie Voxel Studio. Here I'm placing in some objects that have been generated using simply a reference image. We'll jump into that in just a second, but basically you have full control over placement of objects within your voxelized world, and your voxelized world can be generated entirely procedurally. In addition to that, we've got water generation, which you can tweak, control different day, night cycles, lighting, environment, fog, and also you can easily place down scatter objects. That's pre-populate your terrain with environmental objects. Here, let's take a look at some example images that were transformed into voxelized creations. Now you can set the bit resolution from very low, like 16-bit, or you can actually specify whatever you want, all the way up to about 256, although that resolution is going to be pretty hard to load. Most of these are loaded at 64-bit. Now this is how easy it is to rig up a procedural walk character. This is a multi-leg creature, or maybe something like a two-legged mech, something requiring procedural, smart, intelligent walk. There is also a text-to-animation system for humanoid characters, where you can rig up your humanoid characters incredibly easy, and then use text to generate an animation. All I did here was type in a character running forward. Now I'm just cleaning up the animation a little bit by applying a ghost frame and finding that perfect loop within the character animation, and then smoothing frames. That's a feature built in, and now we've got like a perfect little seamless running loop. Voxel Studio is of course one of the tools available in the Sorceress Game Creation Suite.